Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Daily Has Plans. In today's video, we are planning the week of October 23rd through the 29th in my plum paper vertical columns. So let's get started. Alrighty friends, so for this week, I have Orange Umbrella Co. Kit 271. It's called Pumpkins at Twilight. I don't know if you've noticed, I try to write the names of the kits here on the top edge of the sheets just so I can remember what they are, not only for filming, but just for when I'm going through and kind of cleaning out my stickers and that kind of thing. So here I have the TPC sized full boxes, so they're more square versus rectangular like the traditional vertical kit full boxes. I've got the brushstroke date headers, and then I've got sheets 1 and 2 here. This is sheet 1 of the kind of like the essentials or sampler sheet, and then this is sheet 2. So really with these 4 sheets now, with the way they've reformatted them, like you could plan the whole week and then still have tons of stickers left. So let's look at what I'm going to do here. I am going to put this purple down. Let me get a cover just to kind of give me a little bit more smooth surface. Oh my gosh, friends, it's Sunday the 22nd, so I'm trying to get this filmed because my friend Saya from Saya Planning, she does my Clean Mama scripts and a bunch of other little scripts. She also does Happy Planner budget kits that I often use. She's coming over today, and we are going to go through like sticker destash, like kind of the reorg and all of that. And like I have a bunch of sheets with, you know, leftover kit stickers that I kind of want to start organizing. I went to Office Depot. I bought a bunch of release paper from Amazon. It was a while ago. I think I might have done a haul video on it a while ago. And I finally went to get all of that trimmed. And so I'm going to punch it with like my Happy Planner punch. I have the big one. I think it's called the big. I think that's what it's called. And I'm going to just use discs and use those sheets in some of my disc albums that I have from Bubba Bear Studios. I went and I cut the paper down to fit in those albums. So I'm kind of excited about that, to finally kind of have the system going. Of course, here it is, October. I think I bought that release paper like either the beginning of summer or sometime in the spring. I don't know. But that's what we're going to be working on, is just playing with stickers. So I woke up early, got my chores done, and oh, I should put the washi strip down first, just so I have a little bit more of a guide. Just kind of losing my brain. So I did not get any videos posted. I didn't even get this last week that ends with today. I didn't even get that planned. I might do it as sort of a back plan, like a memory plan, just because, oh, friends, not my world fell apart, but my work world kind of just blew up. So I don't want to get into a ton of details and bore you with all that, but needless to say, I am actually supposed to be in LA at my big meeting, and it was postponed or terminated, I guess you should say, because of labor disputes with the hotel and the labor union. And so I'm very sad, but I am home, so that's why Saya and I are getting together. Oh, that looks really cute. Okay, let me pull a pen for my highlighting. Okay, friends, I grabbed Tombow 912 to highlight my walk area. I did go out on a walk this morning, and then I ran to Office Depot, like I said, to get that paper trimmed before Saya comes over. And then I scrubbed my 2 bathrooms downstairs. I gave Otis a bath. So I've been trying to get everything done so that we can hang out and play stickers. Okay, so there's that, and then I'm going to use this other thin washi down here. Let's see, I think I want to turn it with the purple leaves facing up. So yeah, my work week exploded. It was super stressful, super tense, because the hotel attorneys were meeting with the labor attorneys, and they were trying to come to an agreement. We were hoping they would come to an agreement so that we wouldn't be faced with crossing picket lines and that kind of thing. So anyways, so now what's ended up happening is I had to unravel that meeting, which was pretty much all planned because we went down to the wire, and I am trying to plan now a hybrid meeting, which is really hard. It sounds like, oh, that should be easier, but it's not. I'm going to use these Today stickers from Ever Changing Plans. And this looks like it's called the Moonstone font. So I'm going to put these down. So yeah, it was exhausting. I wasn't sleeping. I was working from there was one day where I had to go in at 7:30 to get on an executive committee call. It was just nuts, friends. So by the time Friday rolled around, I was exhausted. I had late nights, early mornings for 2 weeks and just didn't get much of anything done here at home. I wasn't cooking, I was hardly eating, hardly sleeping. It was not good. Okay, so now let's look at some check boxes. Okay, friends, I'm going to bring in this kind of lavendery purple color. Let's see, I keep flipping it around. What's the name on Hyacinth? I'm going to bring this in just because I have a lot of this sort of orange hue going. So I'm just going to do some little dots here. So yeah, I ended up just not getting anything filmed and up. But I have all my monthlies up. Those all went up before last week, so that's good. So at least if you're following the Clean Mama, and I think my budget's up and my social media. So at least that's up. I've been kind of trying to watch videos on what everybody's doing for 2024 and the different planners folks are using. So we'll see. I think, like I said, I pretty much have an idea of what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to put this one down, this lighter one, and then use the darker one down on the bottom. I don't know. I think I'm pretty set on what I'm going to do. I'm going to order a couple different things and then just kind of see how it goes. So that's kind of where I am, just trying to get back in the groove of things. It's nice. I have a clean house and a clean dog, so that's good. When Saya comes over, I'm going to make a charcuterie board since I did that charcuterie class with my friend Becky. Okay, where's my weekend banner? Here it is. Get this down. I thought I would do that for when she comes over. So I got all my grocery shopping done yesterday, which feels good. Like I'm all ready for the week, I think. I feel like I want this prominent leaf here to be going upwards. So yeah, friends, I'm sorry I've been kind of MIA. But let me know what you've been up to. I need to get into my comments and start responding back to everybody because I do appreciate you watching. I just love chatting with y'all. So that's good there. Let's see. This is cute. Orange Umbrella Co. has so many good kits. I have another shipment coming in. I just got a shipment of stickers from Fern Creek Stickers, so I'm waiting on my Orange Umbrella Co. order to come in, and then I'll do a little haul video. Hopefully it'll come the early part. I know it's out, it's been shipped, so hopefully it'll come Monday or Tuesday, and then I can get something filmed for Wednesday. So let me get these dots. These are my rings. Yeah, one day, I think it was either this last week or the week before, I was like, you guys, I have to leave. I couldn't be in the office any longer. And I came home and I just put my shoes on and changed and went for a walk. I just needed the fresh air to clear my head. It was insane. Okay, so let's see. What do I have here? Which full box? I think I'm going to use this bigger one here. And then since it's got kind of a darker background, let's use this leftover bits of washi to frame it. I'll put that down. So yeah, that's what's been going on with me, friends. I haven't even been in touch with my family. I didn't go to my nephew's football game. It's just been insane all around. Okay. Cool, there's that. And then let's do the habit trackers. So since there's only 2, and I have 3 habits that I like to track, I pulled this Planner Kate freebie because there's this one here that I thought would kind of blend well with the kit. So we'll just put this one down. Whoops. And get the other one here. Oh yeah, that looks good. Okay, so there's that. And then let's do my habits. I've got, where's my water? My water here. I sat down and I put some stuff that I need to reorder from Saya in my cart. And since she's coming over, I want to talk to her about some customs that I want to, I need more timesheets, I think. There we go. Otis's meds, so that's all of that. And then let's see, what do we have here? Where's this week? Let's see, let's put it on. I kind of like this one. I can't remember. I think this one fits under here. I'm going to do it right. Oh, I know it. I'm going to flip it and do it right above this line here because that line actually coordinates with the kit. And then we'll put this on here like this. Okay. Oh, while I'm here, let's highlight the week that we're in. There we go. Okay, so there's the sidebar. Oh, this looks really good. I like this. Okay, so now I've got a bunch of meetings, but I wanted to make sure that I put down this cute little like torn washi strip. I'm going to put this down here on this corner. I'm not going to quite sit it right on top of that washi. I'm going to leave a little bit of a break there. Okay, so I wanted to do that. Okay, so Monday I've got a phone call at 10:30 in the morning. So I'm going to put this down here. I'm going to kind of put these phone calls in. And then Tuesday I have an 11 o'clock. Right. I've run out of my 11 o'clocks with Saya, so I kind of need to put in another order on times, but I want to do customs. Like I like have more meetings at certain hours and half hours than others. Okay, so then I have a 1 o'clock AI call. Where's that one at? Oh, here it is. I'm gonna put this down here. That's with the association that I'm on the board for. And then 9 o'clock staff meeting. We'll put this one up here. And then I pulled this from Ever Changing Plans because I thought these lavender ones here would be perfect. And look at, I'm almost done using this sheet. This was like one of the first kind of sticker sheets I bought. Okay, so there's that. Love it. And then what else? 10:30. Oh, I have an invoice review call. So one of the things that I do is reconcile invoices after our big meetings. And all hotels use different accounting systems. And it's so crazy because some of them are really hard to reconcile. Like their numbers don't match up. And it's just like, well, where'd you get this charge from kind of thing. So I have a phone call for that next week because I did it and I reviewed it and checked all their numbers. I have everything down and I have no idea how they got their total. Okay, so there's that. My eyebrows, getting my tint done with my niece. And then we have our beans and benuelos to celebrate my grandma who passed away, her birthday. So I'm going to put this here. That looks cute. Okay, and then I pulled a family time script. This is from Fern Creek Stickers. I thought I would put this here. It's at my uncle's house. Okay, so now let's look at these fun boxes and put some of these in. Oh gosh, these are so cute. I'm gonna put this here. And I want to put some lavender on this page. This is cute. What a fun kit. Let's see, let's put some more color on here. I'm gonna do this orange one here. Actually, I'm gonna put it here. And then go lighter here. And then let's put this big purple pumpkin here. That's cute. And then I could save these, let's see. Maybe I'll put him here and then layer that down. I think that's what I'll do. I'll put him here, this cute pumpkin. And then I'm going to layer this under here. Just a little bit. There, I like that. That looks good. And then I think that's all I'm going to do here. Maybe I will layer this one a little bit. I like the layered, I like them when they overlap a little bit, friends. if you can't tell. There we go. There's that. And then let's put this like this. There we go. There, I like that. Okay, and then I still have plenty of room and one more box, and this one too. Okay. Now let's see, let's do these icons. Let's put the shoe here for my walking. Let's do, we did not recycle last week, so we'll recycle this week. I love the little recycle icon. And then we'll leave the rest of this. Actually, I think I want to put one of these little hearts down here. There's that. I don't have any birthdays, believe it or not. And then let's do scripts. Okay, so I don't have any days off. Pay bills, lazy day, trash day. There we go. Let's put this right here. And then clean house. We'll do all of that when I come to it. And then eyebrows. I think that's it. Okay, I think this is going to get me started for my week. Let's take one last look and make sure I've got everything down here. I've got my rings this week, everything in my sidebar. Oh, let's see. Is there a little paw here? I don't think they have a little paw anymore. Okay, let's do a paw. We'll pull one of these from Saya because I like the way they fit. There we go. Perfect. That's for Otis. Okay. That's why I always do one last look over. Make sure I got trash day. Do I have a payday? Payday will be the following week. Okay, so, and this one, because most of the days fall in November, I'll be planning this in November. Yikes, friends. Okay, I think I have everything. Yeah, I'm excited for beans and buñuelos with my family. I don't know if Emma's going to be able to come home. I did text her about it. All right, friends, I think that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.